And Monje with a deflection. Ito na si Monje. Monje with a finish.
Ganda na ang defense ni Monje.
Coach, as we see this move by Kobe Monje, I just noticed and realized itong uniform ng Letran, may pagka-throwback na anggulo. Almost got it down though. Gabat on the move. Gabat. Bola na kay Jimboy. To Monje.
Nice pass. Ang ganda na execution na sa pass big doon.
Paeng-Are was pleading for that ball.
Yeah, that's only the third deadlock for the game.
Wow. To Monje. Monje with the finish plus the foul.
Ang challenge kasi sa Letran, kailangan talaga umabot yung bola sa post. Ang baba ng inside points nila. Actually, lamang pa ang San Sebastian sa inside points. To think na...
This is the biggest lead now of the game for Letran. Monje. And Monje now improves his point total. Perebrico, Escobedo. Papalik sa ating laro. Look at the moves of Montecillo finding Kobe Monje.